Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to move forward to our next chapter of Standard 8th English Grammar, that is chapter number 12. It is about conjunctions. Now, by hearing the word conjunction, children, what do you come to know? What we are going to learn? Yes, conjunction means what? It means the word which is used to connect two sentences or two words. That time we use the conjunction. You are learning this word conjunction from the previous classes. So, let's move forward to our chapter conjunction. In that, we'll add some more things which we are going to learn new, which are new for you. Okay, so here it is given a conjunction is a word like, and, but, although, because. These are the word which are called conjunctions. Now conjunction have an important function. As I told you before also, कि conjunction it is having an important function which it performs because they join other words and phrases together. They are joining the words और phrases जो होते हैं, कभी कभार दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है, कभी कभार दो अलग अलग फ्रेजेस को इट ज्वाइंस. दैट इज कॉल्ड द वर्ड विच इज यूज टू ज्वाइन दैट टू फ्रेजेस एंड वर्ड्स. इट्स कॉल्ड कंजंक्शन. Now without conjunction we could only make very simple sentences. Now अगर conjunctions ना हो, so what will happen? We will only make simple sentences. जो लंबे बड़े sentence जो आप मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हैं किसी को, it would be not possible to convey in a single sentence if you don't use a conjunction. So conjunction is very necessary because without a conjunction we can only form simple sentences. Now let's move forward in that. Now here is a slide which shows the types of conjunction. There are three types of conjunction. First is coordinating conjunction, next is subordinating conjunction, and the third is correlative conjunctions. Now what do you mean by coordinating conjunctions? Here are the examples which are coordinating conjunctions. In that, one word you have to remember. You can see this word fanboys. Now from fanboys means the words which are starting from these letters are coordinating conjunction. So it will be very easy for you all to remember that which are coordinating conjunction, because F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So from the word, only one word if you remember fanboys, उससे आपको कौन से coordinating conjunctions है वो याद रखना very easy हो जाएगा. Now the second type is subordinating conjunction. Now subordinating conjunction there are many. Here are the examples: after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, when, where, wherever, even though, every time, if, in order that, since, so that, than, though, unless, until, whenever, whereas, never. These all are subordinating conjunctions. Now next, the last type is correlative conjunction. Correlative means double relation, because in that how it is used, दो parts होते हैं वो words के, एक word उसमें से पहले use होता है और दूसरा दूसरे part में use होता है, वैसे they are used. So they are relating with each other, that's why they are called correlative conjunction. See जैसे either or, not only but also, neither nor, both and, whether or, just as, so, the, as much as, no sooner than, rather than. These are called correlative conjunctions. Now moving forward here, what are coordinating conjunctions? The 7 coordinating conjunctions. The good news about coordinating conjunction is that there are only 7 you need to remember. Means only 7 which I told, by from the word you can come to know which are they fanboys. Only you have to remember the word fanboys, और वही 7 है coordinating conjunctions. They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. Together they spell the acronym fanboys. ये एक word से they are formed. Now after that, here is about the subordinating conjunction. The most common subordinating conjunctions in English language include, which are they? Here the examples are given: than, rather than, where, as much as, whereas, that, whatever, which, whichever, after, as soon as long as, before, by the time, not that, once, since, till, until, when, whenever, while, though, although, even though. So this way these are the subordinating conjunction. Now let's move on to our textual chapter. In that, here the same explanation is been given over here. See, we can see two examples first which are given. We looked for Bob, but we could not find him anywhere. Here the highlighted word which is used to connect two sentences, that is called conjunction. उसे कहते हैं conjunction. जो दो sentences, दो phrases को use combine करने के लिए use होता है, उसे कहते हैं conjunction. Now see the second example. We need to plan the trip before we book our tickets. Now here it is given, the words in the bold are conjunction. ये जो bold letter के words है वो है conjunction, जो use हुए हैं दो words phrases को join करने के लिए. Now here the first topic which is given, that is coordinating conjunction. यहाँ पे when we join two words, phrases or clauses of equal importance or of the same function, एक ही function से related, when we join two phrases या clauses, they become coordinating phrases or clauses. जो एक ही sentence से related, एक ही thing से related हो और उसको हम join करते हैं जिस word से, that are called coordinating phrases or clauses. Now the words we use to join these two parts are called coordinating conjunction. और ये दोनों part को जो join करने के लिए use होते हैं उसको कहते हैं coordinating conjunction. Here see it is given which are the coordinating conjunction which I explained you before. अब वो किस लिए use होते हैं और उसके examples दिए हुए हैं. First one is and. And कब हम use करते हैं? And is used to add something to another. एक चीज़ को दूसरे चीज़ को add करने के लिए पहली चीज़ में, that time we use the word and. Now see the second one, or. Or is used to choose between two or more things. जब option दिया जाता है आपको दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बीच में, तब उसको choose करने के लिए we use the word or. And the third one next is but. But is used for contrasting between two things. जब contrast ideas आते हैं दो things के बीच में, तब use होता है but. Next comes yet. Yet is used to mean at the same time or nevertheless. Means same time same meaning जैसे words जब आते हैं, जैसे here the examples are given, bright yet pleasing, मतलब दोनों है, that time we use the word yet. Same way here to this one, see phrases are being joined, here two words are being joined. यहाँ पे example दो words को join करने वाले बताए हैं, यहाँ दो phrases को और यहाँ दो clauses या sentence को join करके the examples are given. Let's move on to the next thing, that here it is given, the first exercise it is, you have to choose the correct coordinating conjunction to complete these sentences. Two options are being given over here. You have to choose the correct option related to these sentences. Okay. Now here first one is already been done for you. See the second one. In that, I will get my scooter serviced dash, there is something wrong in the brakes. Now here दो phrases को join कर रहे हैं, दो clauses को, so we are using the word and. Now see the third one. The suspect went to the airport dash, tried to use a license that had his brother's identification on it dash, he got caught. Now यहाँ पे दो clauses को join किया, so we use the word and, but यहाँ the contrast idea is coming कि ये हुआ but ये नहीं हुआ, so we are using the word but use करते हैं. Now see the fourth one. Nobody expected Sam to get the job dash, did I, और नेगेटिविटी आ रही है, so we are using the word nor. See the fifth one, we can go to an Indian restaurant dash a Mexican, I don't really mind. Now here option is given, so we will use the word or. Now see the sixth one, it was raining heavily dash we decided to stay at home. So यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड यूज हुआ, so, इसलिए ये हुआ इसीलिए हम लोग ये करेंगे, that time we will use the word so. The seventh one is I got a seat in the front row dash I was really interested in the lecture topic. Now ये किस for we are using कि इस वजह से, so we will use the word for over here. Now the last one is my brother dash I will retire soon and go sailing around the world. So दोनों को connecting it is to this one word and this word, brother and I, two words are being connected, we will use the word and over here. Now let's move on to the next exercise. You have to complete this sentences using coordinating conjunction. यहाँ option is not given, आप लोग को coordinating conjunction use करके you have to fill in the gaps. So in this the first one is already been done, option was there, तो और use किया हमने. See the second one, the fabric is beautiful dash light. अब दो words को connect करने के लिए what will we use, and. Third one, I have asked Supriya to pick up bread dash butter. Again दो words को connect हो रहा है on her way home, so we will use the word and. See the fourth one, the dish is bland dash very healthy. अब देखो bland है और healthy भी है, so we will use contrast ideas are given, so we will use the word but over here. You should have more of it. See the fifth one, ups dash downs, दो words को it is connecting, so which word will be used, and. Are a part of life, one should not take either to heart. See sixth one is there are roller coaster rides, water slides, giant wheel rides dash car bumping rides at the amusement park. Now here देखो सब words में last में जब होता है, when the last word we are going to speak, तब हम क्या use करते हैं, and. Now the seventh one is the cake is yummy dash slightly burnt around the edges. Contrast ideas आ गए, तो we will use the word but over here. The eighth one is the play is long dash interesting. Again the contrast ideas are there, so we will use the word but. Let's move on to the third exercise. In that you have to complete these sentences using suitable coordinating conjunction. Here options are given, you have to choose from that option and write it in the blank. The second one is that coat cannot be mine dash it is too big for me. Now यहाँ तीन ऑप्शन दिए, उसमें से आप एक चूज करोगे. For this which one will be suitable, for, because यहाँ कॉन्ट्रास्ट आइडियाज नहीं है, दो वर्ड्स को कंबाइन नहीं करना है, दैट्स वाई. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज थर्ड वन, दिस मस्ट नॉट हैपन अगेन dash you will be dismissed. Now two options are given to you, so which option here, which one will come, or. The fourth one, he has just finished eating dash his plate is empty. इसलिए उसकी plate empty है, so we will use the word therefore. Now let's move on to the next one, that is fifth one, hurry up dash you will be late. Two options, or. Sixth one, he must have done his duty dash he is a conscientious man. Now which word is suitable for here, for. And the last one is he tried hard dash he did not succeed. Here ये हुआ पर वो नहीं हो सका, so what contrast ideas are there, so क्या use करेंगे, but. Now the next exercise is you have to join these sentences using coordinating conjunctions. Now in that first one, how it is done, that way you have to do all the other one. Now in this, the first one is how it is done. Let's see. She reached his house. He had already left by then. Now दो contrast thing हो रहे हैं. So how they have combined कि she reached his house, comma, but he had already left for then. See the second one. Kirti didn't want to attend the program. She did. उसको नहीं करना था. Here also see two contrast things are given. So we will use the word but and combine the sentence. How it will be? Kirti didn't want to attend the program but she did. वैसे but बीच में लगा के you have to combine the sentence. Now the third one is Turab loves driving. He wants to buy a new car. Now ये उसको ड्राइविंग पसंद है इसीलिए उसे कार लेनी है. सो कौन सा वर्ड यूज करेंगे हम लोग? सो हाउ द सेंटेंस विल बिकम? तुरब लव्स ड्राइविंग सो ही वांट्स टू बाय अ न्यू कार. सी द फोर्थ वन. मोइना लव्स टू ट्रैवल. प्रेरणा लव्स टू ट्रैवल. अब दोनों को ये पसंद है तो दोनों सेंटेंस सेम चीज से कनेक्टेड है. सो वी विल यूज द वर्ड एंड लगा के हम ये सेंटेंस कनेक्ट करेंगे. सो दो बार एक ही चीज़ बोलनी नहीं पड़ेगी वैसे. सो मोइना एंड प्रेरणा लव टू ट्रैवल दैट वे. द फिफ्थ वन इज यू कुड वेयर द वाइट शूज. ऑल्टरनेटिवली यू कुड वेयर द ब्लू शूज टू. अब इसमें दो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं वाइट शूज और ब्लू शूज के. सो ये हम कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? किस वर्ड से? विच कंजंक्शन विल बी यूज? यस, दैट इज और. So how the sentence will become? You could wear the white shoes or the blue ones. Now the sixth one is this is a difficult problem. We will find a solution. Contrast ideas are there. We will use the conjunction but to join this sentence. So how the sentence will be? This is a difficult problem but we will find a solution. The seventh one. The show was slow. It was still engaging. In this, the contrast ideas are used and मैंने आप लोग को बोला था कि एक ही मीनिंग है but at the same time we are using same meaning. So how will we join with which conjunction? Yes, that is yet. The show was slow, yet it was still engaging. Now the last one is Rosie went into the garden. He watered the plants. Now दो चीज़ें उसने की. Two clauses we are connecting. दो clause को connect करने के लिए we will use the word and. Yes, and conjunction will be used. So how the sentence will be? Rosie went into the garden and watered the plants. Now the next part is about subordinating conjunction which I explained you previously at the starting of the chapter. When we join two clauses and one of those clauses dependent on or is a part of another and cannot stand alone, we call it a subordinate clause. अब subordinate clause किसको कहते हैं? कि it takes the help of the dependent it takes the help of the main clause. कि वो sentence अकेले उसका कुछ meaning नहीं हो पाता है. Okay, that type of clause is called subordinate clause. It is also called the dependent clause कि वो main clause पे depend करता है अपना meaning complete करने के लिए. The words we use to join the subordinate clause with the main clause is a subordinating conjunction. और जब जो words हम लोग use करते हैं उस subordinate clause को main clause के साथ join करने के लिए, connect करने के लिए, that type of conjunctions को कहते हैं subordinating conjunction. See here kinds of clause are given and which conjunction are subordinating it is given and their example also. See adverb clause. First is adverb clause. In that it is time, place, reason, purpose, manner, concession, comparison and condition. ये सारे adverb clause of time, adverb clause जगह बताता है, time बताता है, reason क्या purpose किस तरीके से हो रहा है ये सब बताता है. That type of clause is called adverb clause of time, place, reason and all. And the subordinating conjunction which we use are when, while, till, until, whenever, before, after, as soon as, because, as, since, where, wherever, as though, however, how, like, though, although, even though, and nevertheless. Now here the example how the conjunctions are used is given over here. Now see the next box. In that again the adverb clause is there, and the other subordinating conjunction which are continued over here are so as to, in order to, so that, than, as, so as, if, unless, whether, should, in case, and suppose. And here are the examples how they are used. Next clause is adjective clause. Now in that which subordinating conjunction will be used? Who, that, which, whose, and whom. And how it is used, that is given over here. And the last is noun clause. In that which are the subordinating conjunction that are used? That, if, and whether. And with the example you can read it over here. So in this, now let's move on to the next exercise, that is E exercise. In that you have to circle the correct subordinating conjunction to complete this sentences. Two options are given over here. From that whichever is suitable according to the sentence, that you have to circle it. The first one is already been done. See the second one. I can't decide dash I should carry my jacket or not. Now which is suitable for this? Whether ya unless? Whether will come. Yes, correct. Now see the third one. This is the place dash I go for my singing classes. Now they are denoting about the place. So which one we will use? Where. Now fourth one is dash I had burnt the cake a bit. My parents were very happy with the surprise party. Now in this ye hua, then also they were happy. So which word we will use in this? Which subordinating conjunction will be used? Yes, even though. The fifth one is she exercises every day dash she likes to keep fit. So यहाँ पे reason दी गई है, so we will use the word because over here. The sixth one is dash complete the project. Malika stayed up all night and worked on it. Now ज़रूरत थी इसीलिए we will use in order to complete the project. Malika stayed up all night and worked on it. See the seventh one. We go early for the match. We can watch all the players warming up. Now अगर जा पाएंगे तो ये देख पाएंगे. So which word will be suitable? If. Yes. See the last one. I spoke to Deepak dash cat had the same symptoms of as mine did. Now ये cat को animal को denote कर रहा है, so we will use the word whose. Yes. Now the next exercise, you have to look at the words in the bold, the F exercise. Bold words are given over here, and you have to tick the sentence if the word in bold is a subordinate conjunction. Yes, now तो it is easy. Just आपको ये remember रखना है कि fan boys से जो फैन बॉयज़ के लेटर्स है उससे स्टार्ट होते हैं वो है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, बाकी के जो है वो है सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. सो अगर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन है तो आपको टिक करना है, और अगर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन नहीं है तो यू विल पुट अ क्रॉस ओवर देयर. हियर ओनली यू सी द बोल्ड लेटर्स एंड डायरेक्टली यू कैन डिसाइड कि वो सबऑर्डिनेटिंग है या कोऑर्डिनेटिंग है. यहाँ बिकॉज it is not connected to fan boys, तो ये it is subordinating, तो you will tick it. See the second one, nor. fan boys में n से nor है, so it is coordinating, तो ये subordinating नहीं है, so you will put a cross over here. Then after, it is subordinating. whenever, it is subordinating. यहाँ टिक करते जाना है. if it is subordinating तो आपको टिक करना है. now here the fifth one, yet. फैन बॉयज़ में वाई से येट, सो इट इज़ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, तो इसको क्रॉस कर दोगे. देन एज सुन एज, इट इज़ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग, तो यू विल टिक इट. देन सेवेंथ वन, सिंस, तो सबऑर्डिनेटिंग है तो टिक मार्क यू विल पुट. सो है फैन बॉयज़ में एस से सो इट इज़ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, तो इसको क्रॉस करोगे. देन इफ, इट इज़ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग, तो यू विल टिक इट. and the last one for, it is related to fanboys, F for, so it is coordinating, तो उसको क्रॉस करोगे. Now see the next exercise G. You have to use the clues, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में आपको clues दिए गए हैं, and add suitable subordinating conjunction to complete the sentences. और इसको इसके साथ जो clues दिए गए हैं उसके साथ subordinating conjunction आपको add करने हैं, and then you have to complete the sentence. Now see the second one. Can you tell me dash the matter with her? अभी यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं तो you will start कैसे करोगे? What is the matter with her? The third one, please confirm. तो इसमें क्या यूज होगा, कौन सा कंजंक्शन? दैट. और यहाँ क्लू यूज करोगे यू कैन कम ऑन फ्राइडे. द फोर्थ वन इज इट इज गुड थिंग. अगेन दैट यूज करोगे शी इज वर्किंग हार्ड. ये जो इसमें क्लूज दिए गए हैं उससे आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है आगे कंजंक्शन लगा के. फिफ्थ वन, द टीचर शोड द क्लास. कैसे हुआ तो कौन सा वर्ड यूज करोगे? हाउ टू सॉल्व द सम. एंड द लास्ट वन इज रियाज पेरेंट फेल्ट. अगेन दैट यूज करके शी नीडेड हेल्प इन मैथ्स. अब जो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है, यू हैव टू रिप्लेस द बोल्ड लेटर. इसमें यहाँ पे जो बोल्ड लेटर्स दिए हैं उसको रिप्लेस करना है इस वर्ड से जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड दिया है, और एक सिंगल सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है. जैसे फर्स्ट वन किया गया है, नो वन न्यू द रीज़न सतीश वॉज एंग्री. सो कैसे ज्वाइन किया? नो वन न्यू वाई सतीश वॉज एंग्री. वो निकल जाएगा और वहाँ पे आपको ये ब्रैकेट का वर्ड लगा के यू हैव टू फॉर्म द सेंटेंस. सी द सेकेंड वन, द ट्रेजर इज हिडन द प्लेस इज अ मिस्ट्री. अब वेयर जगह आपको बतानी है, सो द प्लेस से आप स्टार्ट करोगे. द प्लेस वेयर द ट्रेजर इज हिडन इज़ अ मिस्ट्री. आपको ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बोल्ड लेटर्स निकाल ही देने हैं, बट कभी कभार ज़रूरत ना हो तो वो निकल जाएंगे, बट वन सिंगल सेंटेंस आपको फॉर्म करना है ये कंजंक्शन जो ब्रैकेट में दिया है वो ऐड करके. सी द थर्ड वन, वन कम्स अर्ली वन कैन सिट इन द फ्रंट रो. हुएवर. अब हुएवर से यू विल स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस. हुएवर कम्स अर्ली कैन सिट इन द फर्स्ट रो. ऐसे एक सिंगल सेंटेंस आपको बनाना है इसमें. सी द फोर्थ वन, द लीडर स्पोक इट वॉज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. वॉट. अब वॉट यूज करके, वॉट द लीडर स्पोक वॉज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. नाउ द फिफ्थ वन इज आई डू नॉट नो कैन आई होल्ड माई ब्रेथ फॉर अ होल मिनट. वेदर. वेदर आपको यूज करना है कैन की जगह. सो आई डू नॉट नो whether I can hold my breath for a whole minute. See the sixth one, she had no idea at what time she fell asleep. When. what time की जगह when यूज करके आपको लगाना है. तो how sentence कैसे बन जाएगा? She said had no idea when she fell asleep. वो word निकल गया, उसकी जगह when आ गया. And the last one, in doubt at any point of time. रेफर टू योर नोट्स प्लीज. वेन एवर आपको वेन एवर लगाना है. सो वेन एवर यू आर इन डाउट प्लीज रेफर टू योर नोट्स. इस तरीके से. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज आई. उसमें यू हैव टू चूज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. यहाँ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं आप लोग को ABCD. उसमें से विच एवर ऑप्शन इज सूटेबल दैट यू हैव टू पुट इट इन द ब्लैंक और टिक करना है. सी द सेकेंड वन, यू आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्रेस. इसमें कौन सा सूट होगा? इवन दो यू हैवंट प्रैक्टिस्ड वेरी मच. यू हैव टू चूज द बेस्ट सूटेबल ऑप्शन. इसमें चूज करके आपको उसमें लिखना है. सी द थर्ड वन, यू डोंट लुक डैश यू एन्जॉय इट वेरी मच. तो एज सुन एस नहीं आ सकता है, इवन दो नहीं आएगा, सच एस नहीं आएगा. विच इज द करेक्ट वन? एज इफ. Fourth one is you can watch TV later dash you practice for at least half an hour. So which is the correct option? उसमें कौन सा सूट होगा? on condition that. See जैसे ही आप रीड करोगे सेंटेंस you will directly come to know which option इसमें सूट हो रहा है. See the fifth one, Try one of the easier pieces dash the song your teacher gave you last lesson. So as well as, इसमें such as, even if, as though, it will not suit in the sentence. Sixth one is, it is really important to practice every day, even if you are feeling tired. That way you have to choose it from this ABCD option में से choose करके लिखना है. And the last one, you need to play scales dash your exam pieces. दोनों करना है. So which option will be suited? As well as. Now see the J exercise. In this यहाँ पे help box दिया हुआ है subordinating और coordinating conjunctions दोनों का. So in that you have to choose from the help box and you have to complete the paragraph. Yes. So in that let's begin with the paragraph और उसमें से एक एक आपको word choose करके लिखते जाना है. Hummingbirds are among the smallest known birds. They are called hummingbirds. अब reason दे रहे हो. So which word? Because of the humming sound created by their wings. Then they have special wings. अब उसको डिनोट करना है तो कौन सा वर्ड यूज करोगे? विच मेक देम एक्सपर्ट फ्लायर्स. और टाइमिंग दे आर शोइंग, तो व्हेन दे होवर इन द एयर देयर विंग्स beat in the opposite direction to keep them in one place. Not only can they move up and down, दो words को connect कर रहा है, so we will use the word and, but also backwards and sideways. Hummingbirds are extremely small. अब contrast ideas आ गए, so we will use but. Smart birds, they fly in confusing pattern to escape any predatory birds. Then although they are small birds, they need a lot of calories to stay alive. Next, since reason they are giving, they consume more food than their weight. Hummingbirds have to visit hundreds of flowers each day. अब उस इसलिए क्या करते हैं? So we will use the word in order to survive the nights without eating, they go into a short hibernation. Now the last exercise. This exercise you have to complete the sentences in your own words. See the conjunctions इसमें बीच में दे दिए गए हैं. It is not compulsory कि आपको यही sentence लिखे, but if you write it's well and good. But in exam if this type of thing comes, so you can make your own sentences also. First जैसे since दिया था तो दो words का रीजन देते हुए दे हैव स्टार्टेड, आई विल वाइप द कार सिंस फादर नीड्स इट टुमारो. रीजन दे रहे हैं तो सिंस से वैसे आपको यूज करना है. व्हेन टाइमिंग बताते हुए सेंटेंस एक बनाना है कि व्हेन आई वेंट टू मीट मीरा शी वॉज रीडिंग अ बुक. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सो दैट कि कर सके. सो हाउ यू विल मेक अ सेंटेंस? You should finish your homework so that you can go out and play. See in this so that से दूसरे sentence भी बन सकते हैं. So you can make many sentences using this words. Now next is either and or use करके करना है. So either you can bake the cake now or in the evening. Next but contrast ideas देते हुए the competition was very tense but Nikhil won in the end. Then next अनलेस यूज करके आपको करना है. अनलेस यू बुक द टिकट्स नाउ वी विल मिस द शो. नेक्स्ट इज बोथ एंड यूज करके करना है. बोथ माई कजिन्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स विजिटेड अस ड्यूरिंग द हॉलीडेज. देन इफ क्लॉज बताते हुए इफ अगर होगा कि नहीं. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू लीव अर्ली यू मस्ट फिनिश योर वर्क. इफ से मैनी सेंटेंसेज यू कैन मेक. नेक्स्ट इज ऑप्शन और यूज करके ऑप्शन देते हुए संजय कैन मीट अस एट 5 PM और एट 8 PM फॉर डिनर. दिस वे डियर चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस ऑल एक्सरसाइज हाउ आई हैव रिटन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. दैट वे you have to write it with a pencil in grammar textbook. I hope you understood the whole chapter, the concept and the exercise which I explained you. So go through it properly, read the rules properly, so it will be very easier for you to do this conjunction chapter. I hope you all understood. You complete your textbook properly with a pencil. Thank you, dear children.